Hello, my dear friends. Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends, to FX Vision channel. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my video for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for the regular market analysis and let's get started. Finally, we can see some consolidation on the gold chart after crazy upside, and this is how volatile works in the market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. Gold was crazy volatile. So we can see gold going to the consolidation should not be a surprise to us. In fact, we can expect gold to remain sideways or choppy in the next 1 or 2 days because market will be taking risks for a while. So my dear friends, if you have an ongoing position in the market right now, whether it's a buy or sell, doesn't matter. You can continue. But if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, then obviously this is not the ideal market to look for a swing or positional traders, because as long as market will remain sideways or choppy, we should be looking for day day traders or scalps only, because we are retail traders and we cannot predict the direction of the market. It's not in our hand. The only way to survive this market is to be flexible. We need to be flexible. For example, when gold was extremely bullish, I told you guys that buy at the retracement and sit. But now we can see that there have been some changes in the market, okay, and most of you have exited from the positional buys. Great job. Now, as long as the market remains sideways and choppy, okay, we will have to look for level to level trading only. But we must not forget, my dear friends, today is Friday. Yes, for the last couple of months, Fridays have been crazy Friday. They have been frying accounts. Okay, so please be careful during the US session, especially if you see there is a sudden move in the market, just go with the flow. Because whenever there is a crazy volatility in the market, as a day trader, you will have to follow the trend of the market. That is the only medicine. And if you're a beginner, new trader, if you fail to understand the market, then just skip the market and wait for the market to close. The weekly closing is going to be very important for all of us. Right now, we can expect the weekly closing to be between 2760 to 2700. And I am expecting the market to stay within this range for the next 1 or 2 days. And yes, uh, I said the weekly closing is going to be important. During the US session, we are having some news coming, but not a trendsetter news. That will not change the direction of the market, but it will bring the volatility to the market. So please be careful at the time of the news. Let's see for the market sentiments. Gold edges lower on possible technical correction. So market is also expecting the technical correction. Again repeating, my dear friends, technical corrections are different. And if you are excited exited from the positional buy position, then you don't need to go for a sell right now. Still, if you are taking a sell, then you need to take the exit on the same day, because the market sentiment is still bullish. Geopolitical tensions have not eased at all. They are still going on. Okay, so technical correction, if it happens, so day traders and positional traders and swing traders will get a better opportunity to enter the market again for a buy. Clear? But right now we can clearly see that there is a high chance of market being sideways, or market staying in the range. So as long as the market remains like this, what should be our trading strategy? Level to level trading strategy. Because in this market condition, if you take a buy for the next couple of days or sell for next couple of days, there is a high chance that you will not get the reward you are expecting, because market will remain in a range. If market breaks the range, try to understand, if market breaks the range, then you can expect the market to take a trade. But as long as market is trading inside the range, you need to be flexible and just trade accordingly. Clear? So what are the trading opportunities for the day? Then let's discuss one by one. So right now we can see that the gold is trading around 27 area during the day. If the market drops, because right now we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market. If the market drops, we can look for um, uh, uh, because this is the UK session, the market may cause a high volatility during the US session. But during the this session, if the market drops we can look for a quick bounce around 40 pips around 2716 area. The second support on the chart of the gold will be around 27132 to 2709. This is our second support on the chart of the gold. This is the first support on the chart of the gold. Remember, we are not expecting any swing trade here, and the weekly closing will be important. So we are just looking for the day traders around 40 to 50 pips max. 2716 is the first support and 271309 is the second support. Okay, and in case of a big drop, okay, we have the best support around 2700 to 2698. Okay, these are the three support on the chart of the gold where we are looking for a buy, or where we can look for a buy as a day trader. And in case of the huge drop in the market is full of surprises. In that case, we can look for a buy around 2680 area, 2680 to 2678. But the chance of the market going to 2680 to 278 2678 is very less for Friday. We can expect the market to come down to these three levels only. Okay, why are we expecting these levels? Let me explain. So 2700 2698 doesn't need any explanation. We have discussed plenty of times. I don't want to bore you again. And we are expecting support around 2609 2613 area because of the previous support around this area. Moreover, we can see that the 200 moving average is also coming up. So if we combine the previous support and the dynamic support, this should be a good buy opportunity for the day traders. And we are expecting 2716 area because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. If you guys want, then you can also look for a quick buy around 2722 as well, where 2722. Okay, now how much you can expect? 30 to 40 pips, not more than that, because right now we can see volume is pretty less in this market condition. If you get only 30 to 40 pips, it is good enough. We need to be realistic, because couple of days ago market was easily giving us 300 to 400 pips, because that time market had the capacity to deliver. Right now the volume is less and you expect the same target, obviously your TP will not get hit. Okay, so 2722 who is also a good scalp for buy, and then 2716, and the rest levels are same. Okay, if the market goes up, then as a day trader, okay, as a day trader or a scalper, you can look for a quick sell around 2748 2750 area. Okay, around this area we can look for a sell. How much you can expect? Again, 30 to 40 pips, not more than that. If the market breaks it, then just leave it. For example, when market will enter 274849 area, observe the market behavior, and if you see market showing price rejection from above, then only hit the sell button. If you see that the market is standing at 2748 with a big green candle, then use your common sense, no sell. Okay, I think after a long time we have discussed the sell opportunity. Okay, why we are discussing this area? Because of the FIBO 78.6% retracement level, 340 pip, not more than that. Okay, the selling pressure is very high. Okay, then that's a different chapter. But initially target 30 to 40 pips only. If the market shows you that and there's a high potential, then you can go forward. And as there's a high chance of market being sideways, then 2758 2760 may also act as a resistance. If market reverses, if you see a good price rejection from above, then you can go for a sell during the US session. Again, I am repeating, today is Friday. During the US session, things change drastically. Be flexible, go with the flow of the market, because we are a retail traders. We need to be flexible, otherwise market will throw us. So be careful with the proper risk management, and please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the like button. Do ask me questions, whatever you want to ask about regarding the market. Do share my video with all of the friends who want to start at forex gold trading. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.